Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and today, along with Dory's Dollies, we're hosting the challenge, Hi Barbie. Today's challenge is, I want you to show her tag. Today's challenge is new year, new look. And I used to be able to buy these at the Dollar Tree. Notice the price, you'll know it's been a while. And I bought them for these white shirts that I use for Blight dolls. And what I did was I would bring them home. This is a good deal for $1.25. They used to really have some cute things. I would cut that tag out, clean up the seams and get all this thread and stuff out. And most of the time I'd fix this Velcro just a little bit. And then that is such a nice shirt to have around for all those cute little skirts you get. But it's actually a fashion doll, complete with shoes, outfit. So I thought, you know, I've never tried this on Barbie before. So let's see what we got. The little purple pants. This my kind of purple. It's got a lot of sparkle and shine. I showed her tag because this is a nice Barbie. She was. Oh, that does not fit. That does not fit.
That's a new look, all right.
That's a new look, yeah. Let's see about the shoes. Got her at a garage sale, and you know how you buy those. We call them bag-o Barbies. You get a whole bunch of Barbies for a couple bucks, and then she has a little purse. Let's see if we can put this on her shoulder. She came in that. She's a very nice Barbie. If anybody recognizes her, let me know. She is not silkstone. She's not heavy enough, and her legs are rubbery. This is kind of it's a harder plastic. It's a nicer, older plastic for sure. Beautiful doll. So that is her new look, and ooh la la. Don't know about that. Don't think it's going to work for her, but there she is. Dory, this is always so much fun. Thank you so much, and thank you to every single person that joins in on our challenges, not just the Hi Barbie, but also Amaya Rain on the 3rd of each month, and Dolls Gone Goth on the 16th of each month. You want to take over?
And on the 20th, you announce the theme for the following month.
Yes.
And thank you for watching. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.